Hi everyone and welcome to Techie Review. Today we're looking at Apple's new gaming subscription service called Apple Arcade. The idea behind Apple Arcade is to allow App Store users to pay one monthly fee and get access to hundreds of new games with no in-app purchases or adverts. Apple Arcade officially launches on September the 19th, but access has started to roll out for iOS 13 and 13.1 beta testers on September 16th. So what is Apple Arcade? Well, Apple Arcade is Apple's premium subscription gaming service that will let users download and play hundreds of games for one monthly fee. The prices for this service is $4.99 and you get the first month free. The Apple subscription will allow up to 6 family members access to this service as long as you've got family sharing set up. Apple has been teaming up with some of the big name gaming companies to create new and exclusive titles just for Apple Arcade. At launch, there will be 50 games available, with new releases coming weekly and lots more already in the pipeline. Apple Arcade games will work on your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and even on your Mac. Games will also support made for iPhone game controllers, along with support for PS4 and Xbox controllers. In iOS 13, Apple built-in controller support, so if you're running iPadOS 13, iOS 13 or tvOS 13, you'll be able to connect a PS4 or Xbox game controller to your device. Now there's a link below in the description to a video I did that showed you how to pair a PS4 DualShock controller to your iPhone or iPad. One of the great features of multi-platform support is that you can start a game on one device and then swap over to another device without losing your place. Apple's added the Arcade tab into the App Store and you'll be able to find all the games included in the Apple Arcade service. Apple's App Store editors will highlight different titles, make suggestions for you and help you find new games to play. But before I go, I wanted to check out a couple of titles, and over the coming weeks I'll be reviewing a lot more games in the Apple Arcade. So please remember to subscribe, click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead and check out a couple of games. So this is what Apple Arcade looks like on your iPad. At the top you can sort of see a game that they're featuring. Below that there's a list of a few games you can go and try out. Scrolling down we have new arrivals. And you can see a short video clip of what the game looks like. Scroll across, get to see some more titles. And if you carry on scrolling down, you get to see everything else. Right at the bottom, it'll give you a list of all the games that are currently available, all the games that will be available on launch day on the 19th. On first glance, looking at some of these games, there does look like some really nice titles, and it looks like there's a lot of fun games to play here. So I'm going to actually take a look at Skate City. So I'm going to go ahead and download that one and go check it out. Okay, the controls look pretty simple for this. Right hand or right finger we're using to actually pick up speed, and then left hand is to do our tricks. Swiping in different directions will actually do you a different trick. And I think you get points for the tricks you do. Graphics of this are really nice. This is quite a fun, simple game, and oops, just face planted. Let's try that again. Yeah, this is quite a simple game. It's quite good fun, I like this. Seems to be getting slightly harder as we go along. Okay, we can do some more tricks. Okay, the idea is you've got to left and right to keep your balance. Okay, that seems fairly easy. Let's try that again. That's actually harder than it looks. Okay, so off the main menu we've got our skate shop where we can do some customization of your character and also your skateboard. By the looks of it, you've got to collect tokens or something to be able to buy stuff from the shop. Okay, that's just a quick look at Skate City. It looked a lot of fun. Now we're going to try another game out called Speed Demon, which is a simple racing car game, so let's jump in and take a look at that. Okay, by the looks of this one, we've just got to race the streets, dodge the cars, and work our way up the pack into first position. Nice top-down view. This is running really nice. You seem to be able to run one of the cars off the road when your competitor's off the road. And as you work your way up, you'll notice that trail behind you will start to change colour and get longer as I sort of work my way up. Oops. Let's be at the back again. The graphics of this are really nice, very smooth, love the effects, some very nice effects. Sparks going off when you're sliding, nice little explosions. This is a fun game. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this now. I'm sort of working my way up. Ouch. Now in fourth position, can I make first position? This is really good fun. Anyway, that is the first look at Apple Arcade and a couple of other games. Now I will be reviewing lots more games in Apple Arcade, so please remember to like and subscribe, click that bell to get notified when I upload any new videos. I hope you found it useful. Thanks very much for watching. If you've got any questions or anything like that, please put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you what you think of Apple Arcade, and I will see you all next time.